Hey everybody, it's Jim T with Key the Realtor from BG, and I'm coming to you live from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. In today's local market update, we are covering Wood County Southeast. That is everything south of US 6 and east of State Route 25. And what we're seeing in this area is pretty much what we're seeing throughout Northwest Ohio, and right now there's just not enough inventory to go around. Currently, when we look at month supply of inventory over here, we're sitting at 1.2. In order for us to be at an equilibrium point for the market, we need to be between 4 to 6 months of inventory, folks. And what that means is there's equal parts buyers to sellers, demand is flat, and that flattens the pricing. Currently, because we're way below that 4 to 6 month range, what is likely to continue happening is we will likely to continue to see these prices soaring higher and higher each month. And in addition to that, to make things worse, what is probably around the corner is inflation and higher interest rates. So if you've been on the fence about buying or selling a house, please don't hesitate. Give us a call today. We will be happy to help you make the best decision possible for you and your family. Again, right now, it may seem like it's a terrible time to be a buyer because properties are going up so much, blah, 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 and oh, the market's going to crash. No, it's not. The market's not going to crash. The last time the market crashed was in 2009, and it's the banks that caused the crash. Currently, pricing is going up the way that it is because of supply and demand. This is a supply and demand issue. This is not a market issue. This is not a bubble. What is creating this is that we have 4 generations actively in the workforce right now that can buy and sell real estate, whereas before we did not. The more competition there is for a scarce resource, the higher that scarce resource is worth to those competing for it. And what will likely happen in the future, what is more likely to happen in the future, is we are likely to see interest rates go up. We are likely to see cost of living go up thanks to inflation. And because those two things in parity with one another work against you, what I can almost guarantee you will happen is it's going to be more expensive to buy tomorrow than it is today. So if you have a house to sell, please take advantage of the seller's market. We can get you the absolute most for your house. And what that will look like is you can take that equity that you have sat on and use it for your next house. And the way that you can take advantage for the next purchase is because of those historically low interest rates, folks. You can qualify for far more housing, $20,000, $30,000, $40,000 more worth of housing in today's market thanks to how low these interest rates are than you would in a normal real estate market. So it's really not a terrible time to be you on either side of the fence, especially if you have something to sell. For more details, feel free to give us a call. We're happy to talk to you. We're happy to figure out a plan that makes sense for you and your family. I'm not here to sell you a thing. I'm here to help you make better decisions. And if that's just to stay put for right now, I will tell you that. But if there's a way for you to live the lifestyle that you want and we can help you get there, I'll be happy to work on a plan like that for you as well. I thank you so much for joining me today. It's been an absolute pleasure. This has been Jim T with Key the Realtor from BG, and I'm signing off today from the White House in Bowling Green, Ohio. If you like what you saw in today's video, if you found it to be helpful and informative, please make sure to hit that like and subscribe button. That way you get future videos from us on YouTube. I thank you so much for joining us, and make this the best day yet.